Yo, very quickly guys, what is going on everybody? It's your boy Sniper Jones, man. Wanted to make a quick announcement before I drop today's video. I am doing a giveaway for a pair of Air Jordan 1 Mochas. If you want to be entered in that giveaway, all you have to do is check the link in the description of the video. It'll take you over to a website and you can get multiple entries if you just follow the directions. I'm super excited to be doing a giveaway on one of the most anticipated, one of the best general release Air Jordan 1s of 2020. You don't want to miss it. It's free to enter and good luck to everybody who wants to join. By the way guys, make sure you smash the like button on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new because the goal is still 100K by the end of the year. We're not giving up on that, on dog. Also, before I get back to the video, we are doing new merch at 70K. I'm super excited about it. It's already done. It took a while to make, but it's finally here. 70K on the way, man. Thank you guys so much. Let's get to it. Yo, different change of scenery today, man. What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I'm coming back with another video for your head top. As you guys can see, we had to get out of the studio because I'm not gonna hold you, bro. Those boxes was just kind of like depression. Now, for my people who's been watching for a long time, y'all know like the studio was kind of like my trademark. Like the whole sneaker wall was kind of like my thing. And I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of cool. And for my people who know what's going on, like for my people who know that I'm moving into my new spot, like the boxes in the back was kind of acceptable. But what y'all gotta understand is a lot of people come from like different videos, so they might get up to me late. And now I got like 1,000 comments of people like, yo bro, what is all the boxes for? Like, what are you doing? Y'all know what we came here for, man. We came for the Yeezy news. I'm pretty much gonna think about doing this, or at least making this a segment just about on the regular, because there's always some Yeezy news out there, and Lord knows I love me some Yeezys. So shout out to Yeezy Mafia, because Yeezy Mafia posted something on Twitter. If you guys don't follow Yeezy Mafia on Twitter, I highly suggest you do it. They basically keep you up to date with all the new Yeezy brands, all the new Yeezy designs, colorways, even release dates. And a lot of times when shoes are being pushed back, they'll let you know what's the appropriate date for them to actually come out. Now, Yeezy Mafia is definitely known for coming out with these surprise colorways that we really have no idea about. Kanye West is pretty big on keeping a lot of his shoes a secret. It be times where if you like actually catch sneak peeks in his closet, he has colorways for like years and it don't come out until a long time later. Yeezy Mafia is one of those places that they'll tell you about new up and coming colorways, and one of the ones that caught my eye, what was it, like yesterday, was this. Okay, they are calling this, let me make sure that I say this the right way, because the names of Yeezy shoes, man, like I've heard like they're supposed to be like these words that mean something in a different language or something like that. So the pronunciations is gonna be all wrong. I'm gonna give it 3 tries, okay? Because it could be 3 different things, or I can just be wrong 3 times. The first one is the Yeezy knaye. Second way to pronounce it is the Yeezy knaye. Okay, that's another way. The last way I'm gonna try to pronounce it is the Yeezy knaye, and I'm not gonna try no other way than that. I mean, if I'm wrong all 3 times, it is what it is. Blame Kanye, bruh, not me. You don't want us over here trying to do a Keela and the B part 2, bro. I'm not about to be pronouncing any of these words. Regardless, guys, this Yeezy is supposed to release early 2021, so we do have a while before it comes out. But when I see new 700 V3 silhouettes, it get me excited, because Yeezy 700s are my favorite model. And when it comes to like the 700 V3, it's actually tied for the V1 or the V2. You know what, bro? I'm not gonna lie. All of these of the 700s are just fire. The 700 is my favorite. The 350 played out too much. The 500 is super comfortable, but it's not the best when it comes to the eye. The 380 is trash. I tried the 380. Trash. Don't ever trash. And I just think that the 700 is the most consistent when it comes to the different models, whether it be the V1, V2, and now the beloved V3. Now, a few of y'all probably see what I see when it comes to this shoe. It looks like this, okay? This shoe looks exactly like a reverse Yeezy Azareth. And I'm not gonna lie, I would still pick it up because it's just nice, man. Like, don't get me wrong, I just picked these up when I went to Tampa. It's a beautiful shoe. I have not got a chance to wear it yet, but just know I will be rocking these very soon. And the one thing that I like about this shoe is like that blue hue that's going throughout the entire upper. Another thing about the 700 V3 that's just amazing is like every pair glow in the dark. I'm kind of like a kid when it comes to that. Something about glowing in the dark, just kind of, you know what I'm saying, like that spunk in your boy. I ain't gonna hold you. It's very comfortable, and I like this never-ending lace type lace lock that they got right here on the laces. As you can see, it's not like your regular laces that you just tie up and put together. You just put them on like slippers and you out the door. I believe you did this with those Yeezy 500 highs too. Those are trash. But yes, man, I'm super excited to talk about these sneakers, and I'm super excited to hear y'all opinions about the new Yeezy 700 V3 model. Now, the 700 V3s have been doing great. Okay, they've been selling out every single chance. I really don't hear too many complaints about them other than people outside of the sneaker community. I mean, now those people, you know what I'm saying, they're a little bit different. But at least the people inside the community, it's always been good news and good vibes when it comes to the Yeezy 700 V3. So I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be doing good as well. We all know that the Yeezy 700 V3 retails for $200, which is an amazing price point. We are in the day and age, bro, where Air Jordan 1s are being sold for $170. These retros are like $230. Jordan 11s is like $280 now, bro. It's crazy. The prices of sneakers are just going up crazy. I get it. It's a market. It's more people in it. It's a lot of money to be made. But for a pair of sneakers like this to only be sold for $200, that is an absolute steal, because I really do think this is a cool shoe. And for a $200 price point, to me, is low. And it has boost, right? I believe 700s have boost, if I'm not mistaken. So I get why the 500 was kind of cheaper, because they use what is the name of the material that the 500s use? It's really making me mad, bro, because I know it, and I just can't think of it right now. It's even written on the side of the sole, bro. Oh my God, I know this one. I hate this, because as soon as I get done recording it, I'm gonna remember what it is, and everybody in the comments gonna say what it is. I'm gonna be like, bro, I know that. Okay, I know my shoes. Regardless though, $200 is not a bad price point. And like I said, man, I just think these are fire. Make sure that y'all comment your ideas, your thoughts, your opinions of the new Yeezy 700 V3 knaye. That's what I'm gonna call it, the knaye, down below in the description of the video. Make sure you guys are signed up for the giveaway. We are doing an Air Jordan 1 Mocha giveaway. Me, a Sneaker Life. If you want to be included, check out the link down below in the description. It's super easy, and you can get like multiple entries too if you just follow the steps that's in the link in the description. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.